Hi, I'm Roger Loesel with Central Ohio Real Estate Investment LLC. If you own a house in Ohio that has become stressful, expensive, or difficult to manage, I want you to know something right away. You may have more options than what you think. Whether you're dealing with an inherited property, a probate house, major repairs, fire damage, problem tenants, or a vacant home, or you just need to sell the house quickly, my goal is simple: help you understand the best path forward for your situation. Who am I and what do I do? I'm a licensed realtor and real estate consultant, and for years I've been helping owners across Central Ohio and Lima solve difficult property problems. With honest guidance, practical solutions, and a process built around goals, not pressure. At Central Ohio Real Estate Investment LLC, we work with homeowners who need help with inherited houses, probate properties, distressed homes, fire or water damaged houses, vacant properties, rental houses with tenant issues, and homes that need major repairs. What makes our service different? Every house is different. Every homeowner's situation is different. That's why I don't believe in one size solution fits all. Sometimes the best option is selling as is. Sometimes it's a fast, direct sale. Sometimes it's listing the property strategically. My job is to help you understand your options so that you can make the right decision with confidence and based on market knowledge. So if you'd like to talk through your property situation, I'd be glad to help. Just fill out the short form or you can call area code 614-961-0169. There again, that number was area code 614-961-0169. I'll be glad to listen and help you with your situation. Have a blessed day. Thank you.